Hey there, sunshine. Today I'll draw Bluey wearing a shiny crown. Yes, it's the story of Bluey and the sparkling crown. While I'm drawing, let's imagine how she found it. And before we begin, like this video so your royal adventure can start too. It was a bright, giggly morning. The sun twinkled like glitter, and Bluey skipped across the yard pretending to be a queen. "Your Majesty Bluey of the backyard," she announced. Bingo bowed dramatically. "At your service, Your Highness." They both laughed so hard they rolled in the grass. Behind the treehouse, something shiny peeked from the dirt. "What's that?" Bluey whispered. She brushed away the soil and gasped. It was a golden crown, dotted with red and green gems. She placed it on her head, and it fit perfectly. "I'm a real queen now," she said proudly, her tail wagging high. If you think Bluey looks super fancy with her crown, like this video and give her your royal wave. Bluey marched around the garden. "Bingo, fetch me my royal juice," she commanded. Bingo ran giggling with an empty cup. "Yes, Your Majesty." But soon, Mum came out with the laundry. "Bluey, remember, real queens are kind, not bossy." Bluey blinked. "But queens tell people what to do." Mum smiled. "They do with kindness." Bluey thought for a moment. Maybe I can be kind and queenly." She helped Bingo fold a tiny towel, calling it a royal napkin. Then she shared her sparkly crown for Bingo to try on. "You look perfect," Bluey said. "We can rule together." Bingo grinned. Queen Bingo and Queen Bluey. If you love sharing, like this video and imagine wearing a crown too. Maybe your sparkles pink or green. They built a royal castle out of boxes, decorated it with flowers, and invited Mum and Dad to a royal feast made of cookies and orange juice. "Welcome, loyal subjects," Bluey announced. Dad bowed low. "We're honored, Your Majesties." Mum pretended to curtsy, hiding a smile. "Such gracious queens," she said. Bluey and Bingo giggled, proud and happy. When the sun began to fade, Bluey placed the crown on the grass. "Maybe tomorrow someone else can find it," she said softly. Bingo nodded. "So they can feel special too." Bluey smiled. "Because being royal isn't about crowns. It's about hearts. So, little friend, close your eyes and dream so sound. Let your heart wear its sweetest crown. And don't forget to like this video before drifting down."